Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to log ovulation on Flo App. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Flo application, which of course I have done right here. Next one is where exactly can you get the Flo app? You can get it on Apple Store or Google Play Store, depending on the device that you use. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Flo app and follow through the on-screen prompts to download. And after downloading the application, it's going to take you right into the sign-in window, where you're going to be asked to either create a new account or log in using an existing account. And whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in the Flo app. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to log ovulation on Flo app. So the first thing that you like to do is to click on the avatar icon at the top left corner of your screen. Now this is the avatar icon that takes me to this window where you have graphs and reports, you have cycle and ovulation settings, access code, reminders, and help. Now go ahead and click on reminders. Once you click on reminders, you're going to have a couple categories here, or you have a couple categories here, which include the secret charts, you have content, you have cycle, you have medication and contraception, you have added pill reminder, you have lifestyle. So head over to cycle, and on the cycle you have period in a couple of days, you have ovulation, you have period end, and you have period start. Now go ahead and click on ovulation. Once you click on ovulation, go ahead and toggle this box on. So just toggle that on. After toggling that ovulation on, you see that you have been able to successfully log ovulation. Now add a reminder time. So your reminder time should be, let's say, 9 p.m. Go ahead and click on OK. Now you have your text, the text of your reminder, very high chance of getting pregnant tomorrow. Now you can go ahead to edit this to what kind of reminder text that you want. So you can just go ahead and click on that. Your keyboard is just going to display. So delete and edit it and customize it to whatever reminder text that you want. So this is pretty much the process. This is how you can log ovulation on the Flo app. I can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.